CLRB Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Cellectar Biosciences, bro, I'm butchering up the name. I don't know how to pronounce that. And it's like 17% up for the day. Yeah, 17% gains is phenomenal, but if you really look at it from a broader picture, you have to understand that the week not before this, but the week before that week, that was before. Now, let's say week starting with 9th of December, we went down 81%. So I'm not even kind of surprised. You just really have to look at the broader picture to kind of see where we are. I mean, context, I've done 33,000 videos, and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. And with CLRB, it's still a proper bearish market, man. It's not that I'm like willing to short or anything, but if I see a proper double break, you bet I'm taking things lower. You know, although like we're 17% up, you know, you have to look at it from the broader picture. This is not financial advice, it's all demo and simulated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.